Hi guys, this is Sanket here, the co-founder of AUO.vc, and today we are showing you how to actually get your website citable by AI. Most of our websites are not getting cited because there are issues which your code has which are not fixed and that does not get you visible. We will make sure that your website is ready to be cited on AI, and it would be something we could do it in very few steps. It's like you don't have to be a coder anymore for the same. If you're a founder, if you're a technical SEO, I'll take you through how to go about it step by step using your code copilot, and then how to deploy it online and how do you see the visibility and changes down there. So let's start today how to get cited. And the first thing what we have to do is to get yourselves logged in into AUO.vc. So as I already have an account here, I'll just sign in here and I'll continue with Google. You can do with Google. So I'll just take Sanket Sharma team@AUO.vc. So let me put an URL for a website I have, the highbrooks.com. All right. So the AI audit is started. What I'll also show you in the while that this is how the website looks right now. This is how it looks. These are the information. All right. So these are the current FAQs what we have. We have already run it once. We'll run it again. Until then, we'll see there are few agents that you could see it here. I'll just move my particular face out of here. So yeah, we have following agents here: content analysis agent, content generation agent, schema and AO agent, query intent and keyword agent, authority and trust agent, freshness update agent, and reporting agent. By the time I read it, its first agent actually did its whole job and it's here. So it tells that the website has some good clarity scores, which we obviously has. Yeah, obviously every founder wants to have a good clarity. But there would be still some gaps that there's no author byline, no about us or team information. So what I'll do, I'll just open the inside what has been done until now. So it's right open. It has given me the first part, which is how the content analysis agent has analyzed what's the issue. So we'll just first copy prompt. It's as simple as that. You just copy it. And as if you are a technical founder, if you're non-technical founder, but you know how to wipe code, it is very easy to go about it. Until then, our content generation agent has already taken place. So let's get to Windsurf. So we have Windsurf. Let's start a new section. So in Windsurf, you will see all you have to do is just paste the exact prompt here and just send it. So I've given the authority to code. You can do it code or chat upon yourself if you are comfortable that allowing AI is okay to do coding on your website. That's certainly great. If you still are facing some issues, you can already switch it as a chat. So you can do both. So this is the process is already started. I'll show you what they have changed until then because it takes some time. But back in the days, it was taking much more. If I'll be honest, it'll take months to actually generate a new particular audit. So yeah, as you'd see that there have been some changes. What it has done, it has updated the index that aligns with the main heading of AI powered insights to focus and benefit the information what's providing. So here you could see that it has made few changes. All you have to do is accept the file, and the first part is done. Let's go to the next process, right? So on the next process, as you can see, the content generation agent has done its task. So what it's sharing that you need to have snippet friendly summaries, obviously, which website doesn't. So it tells what Highbrooks Reality is doing. If it's an AI website, so it's obviously providing the data. Then what unlockable action insight section should be there. Then what are the recommended FAQs. Without the FAQs, you wouldn't know how it goes about, right? Then it shares suggested headings. So I've read it once. So what I'll do, I'll just copy the prompt here. Done. Then I'll again move down to Windsurf. So on Windsurf, I'll do the next part is that I'll just paste the prompt and it will start doing the next set of tasks. So obviously there's just 7 steps of tasks which we need to do to make our website AI visibility ready, and all through vibe coding. There's nothing else what you need to do. So now the AI agents have started working here. Let's go back there and let's see what other generations have they shown. So there's a schema and AU agent, there's a keyword intent agent, authority and trust agent. There'd be 2 more agents coming in, and at the end it gives you a report which is also downloadable by PDF, and you'll still have those reports in your progress section, which you can see what it has generated until now. So you can obviously keep updating it with the existing information. It will add new information upon. So let's see what does the schema AU agent tells us. So it creates all the JSON LD schemas down here, which you can just copy the prompt and they'll do it for you. So you just copy it. Here you go. It's copied. Yeah. So you just paste it here. You'll see the last section also had made some FAQ changes. It has added new set of FAQs. So you accept it all and then you send it down the next part. So again, the work has been started by AI. So it is creating the new JSON LD schema structure. So until now, as you see, the analysis has been wholly complete. It has given you all the details what's needed to be actually able to be getting cited, right? So this is what it tells you exactly how you have to go about it, and each level has been detailed given here. So we have done content analysis, we have done content generation, we've done schema. Let's move to query, intent, and keyword agent. So what does it show here? So these are the queries which are likely users in search assistant would ask. So how can AI help me find the best location for my new restaurants? What is the location and intelligence for hospitality industry? And then there's semantic keywords. So what it'll share, it will give a whole information. You can do either way. You can just copy the whole thing by yourself, or you can just copy a prompt. So let's do this as well. So if you want to do it manually, I'll just show you that, so that why do you not to have to take the pain all the time? So the last part has also been completed. They have added JSON LD schemas. We accept the file and then you paste the next one. You just asked implement these if you want to do it manually. So it has started working on the information that what user queries have to be added. So it gets on its work, right? So it creates index information update. It checks whether there are case studies or not. It adds some case studies. So it has obviously been pushing for the work now. So first it's making changes on the index. So let's switch back to the next section. Now we'll look upon authority and trust. Authority and trust are quite necessary. Some part of the authority and trust has obviously been done on your website. Some of the part would be external, for which we also provide custom solutions which you can take. But for now, we'll just do what's available in the website to make it AI citable. So it gives you missing trust signals, right? That author and team information should be there, credential and certification should be there, specific data sources, company information verification, the phone number should be there, third-party validation, and in-depth methodology should also be shared. So we'll just copy a prompt again. So yeah, that's copied. We move back. Let's hope it has done what it has to do until then. So yeah, the changes have been already verified. We move on the next part and we push it. Now, after authority, Query intent, authority, and trust agent has been done. Next part, we move towards freshness and update agent, right? That what should be the content freshness score, where should be the date, what should be done, and how should it be pushing it. So you just copy the prompt there. Yeah, you copy it and that's done. Last is the reporting agent. So I'll just share you. So it has done. You just come out. Yeah. The next part. So right now I'll tell you how to get it done in just one step of updating your whole code base with just one copyable markdown prompt. So this is the executive summary what it has given, right? So this is the reporting agent, right? How the strategy should be. So it just copies the prompt. You go down to your section. You create a new particular file here, which is AO improvement .md file. So all you have to do is just paste all the information what has to be done. So it creates a content checklist and implementation complete analysis report is here and gives you what you have to do. So you just have to actually give this one particular go and it will be all clear from there. So I think there wouldn't be anything else apart from that. So after you have implemented all of it, you just have to tell your vibe coding agent, be it cursor, be it Replit, or be it something like Windsurf. So I'm using Windsurf for now. So let's do this. So to get on and implementing the AO agent, all you have to do is just copy the path. You paste it here, implement the file. That's it. Now it will start doing all the work, and your Windsurf, which I'm using currently, will get it activated, will check whether it's done or not, whether the hero section's updated, whether schemas are updated. So it takes in all of the information that's necessary for any AI model like ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, Grok, Claude, you name it, and it will be citable with all of that. So as you can see, it is marking off what all is required and just checking what else has to be done. So yes, it's verifying all the docs. So you have a report as well, which you can just download from here. Download results of PDF. So now it's here on your desktop or laptop, whatever you need. And until then, so it has successfully created the comprehensive AU improvement checklist. The checklist includes, which already all of us has done, and the checklist reflects the extensive AU optimization performed during this session. So as the codes have been changed, I see there's no error right now here. So what all I have to do is just now push it to GitHub. So let's go to GitHub. So this is how Hybrooks Reality. There have been around 7 changed files. So you just name it as AO improvement and you commit the files. You push it to origin. So whatever, either it's connected to your GitHub or any source. So it just pushes the code and it gets on the server, and that's how your code changes will be visible. So until now, what you were getting are these information, right? Let's go yeah. So it has not been updated as of yet. So this is what you have been getting. What data sources does HyperX Reality use for AI analysis? So we'll see what it has changed after a while. So let me just refresh it once again. Alright, so it's refreshed and you will see it here. What is HyperX Reality as changed in the code? So it has taken in information, whatever FAQs have to be added, then any real results, real success information. Then it has also created a blog page about how to choose and how to decode traffic. It has an about page now, that who's the founder. So you just have to give the right information. I'm just doing it for sample. You can do it for all that. It has created new blog pages, then hotel viability reports, every information, so that any question then AI asks, any person asks any AI, so the prompts have somehow been answered here, and whenever AI goes there, so it might pick this up. So that is how you do answer engine optimization with vibe coding with AU.VC. So this is me signing out, and hope to see you on the next session.